Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial. And today I'm telling you a little bit more about Megan, the fashion and beauty blogger. Megan is trying to keep her blog post titles short and sweet. She keeps her running list of title ideas in a workbook. It takes forever to move the titles to Word or another word processor to find the character count. She needs to find a faster way to collect the character count of her potential blog post titles in Excel. Here's a list of Megan's blog post title ideas. Since she's trying to keep them fairly short, she wants to figure out the exact character count. I'm going to show you how to use the len or len function for that. We're going to start with the equal symbol, len, and then the tab button. Now the only requirement for this particular function is to select the text or the section of text that we want a character count on. In this case, I'm going to select cell A2 and press enter. So now we know that there are 44 characters in cell A2. This is going to count the numbers, spaces, and special symbols like this dash between under I. Now let's go ahead and drag this down. Perfect. Now she has the exact character count of each of these items. Just for example's sake, I'm going to actually pull this down further. So now all of these cells here are formulated to look for the character count in the cell right next to it. And for example's sake, I'll add a question mark here, a comma here, the number 14, and a dollar amount. So the one thing that I want to point out here is that question marks, commas, numbers, all of those will be counted as characters. The one specialty situation is going to be with certain formats of numbers. As you can see here in cell A22, it has $100.00. Technically, this should be considered 7 characters, but for some reason our len function is only sending it back as 3. This is because this function is used for finding text format characters. Anytime we have something in this drop-down here that's text format, that's what the len function is looking for. So now that we've changed cell A22 to be text formatting, it's actually matching exactly what we put in for the len function. This is going to save Megan tons of time because now she doesn't have to count out every single character, nor does she have to copy and paste it into a different program altogether. Leave any questions in the comment section below,
And until next time, have fun excelling!